All right, let's do a little bit of geometry. Not geography, because if it was geography, you'd be choosing the wrong tutor for that. But geometry. So here we doing triangular inequality. Not actually, similar triangles. And I'll show you what they're asking for here, and then we'll solve for it. Let's say it says, and as you can see here, you see the triangle which I have here on the board for you. And it says in the figure below, above actually, GI, the segment GI is parallel to the segment FJ. What is the length of HJ? So, what they're telling us is, this thing right here is parallel to this. So they're asking for the length of this. So, parallel. That was equal. Parallel. So, they're asking for this here. So, how do we solve this? Because this is probably going to involve two theorem, Pythagorean theorem, and then similar triangles. So, we first going to solve for this one. But if we solving for this, we have 13 here, 5 here. So this problem, you cannot use a calculator. So we have 13 here and then 5 here. So how do we solve for HI? So according to the Pythagorean theorem, you have actually this side squared. So we consider in this triangle, let me go purple here for a second. We consider in this triangle right here. So if we consider in this triangle, we know this side, which is the hypotenuse, HJ squared, let me take the bars out, is equal to this plus this, GI plus IH squared. So that's what the Pythagorean theorem says. It says, what it says is whenever you have a triangle that is, a rectangular triangle, the side of the hypotenuse, which is the longest part of the rectangular triangle, is equal to that side plus that side. So what do you do? You take the smallest two sides, you square them. Take this one squared plus this one squared. It will give you this one squared. So you have 13 squared is equal to 5 squared. Let's call this x plus x squared. So you have 13 squared minus 5 squared. So I put this on the other side. It's equal to x squared. So x squared is equal to 13 squared is 169. 5 squared is 25. X squared is equal to 144. Square root of 144 is square root of 144. So that implies that x square root of 144 is 12. 12 times 12 is 144. So now we have x here. We have 12 here. So that means this x here is equal to 12. Now, notice what we're looking for is HJ. Now we're going to use similar triangles. Similar triangles, what it's going to say, what's saying, because the side is parallel to this one, and those two triangles, let me make sure I show you this easy way. So the similar triangles we're going to consider is the one in purple, this one, and this one here. The small one in purple and this green one. So to consider the similar triangles, so what it says is the side, so the ratio of similar side would be equal to each other in the triangle. So let's take the hypotenuse. Actually, let's take this side because we don't have the hypotenuse. Let's take the bottom side of this. 5 divided by 10 must be equal to 12 divided by HJ. So what is it telling you is the ratio of similar side are equal, kind of. So because this one is the side that is similar to this side, you take this divided by this, it's gonna equal to this side divided by this. So we're considering these two triangles. So what do we do here? So you cross multiply. 5hj is equal to 12 times 10 is 120. That implies hj is equal to 120 divided by 5 is what? 120 divided by 5 is 12. No, actually, 120, not 12, 24. 120 divided by 5 is 24. Yeah, 24. Let's see if that's part of the answer choices. And, actually, there was no answer choices, but this should be good, though. 24 is the answer. So this side here is 24. If you enjoyed this video, please share it with your friends, especially this, because it's going to help a lot of kids who doesn't understand, similar triangles. All right, thank you. Bye.